If you're running into the frustrating couldn't load error in CapCut, don't worry. I'm here to walk you through reliable steps that will get you editing again in no time. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to tackle this issue step by step and how each fix works. So let's dive right in and get your CapCut projects back on track. First off, let's talk about your internet connection. It's like the backbone for CapCut. If your Wi-Fi or mobile data is glitchy, the app won't be able to load your assets or projects properly. I recommend quickly checking that you're on a stable network. Sometimes, switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data shakes things loose. So if you're on Wi-Fi, try mobile data for a moment, or vice versa. You can also restart your router, which is a bit like giving your home network a fresh start. For mobile users, toggling airplane mode on and off for a few seconds can force your device to reconnect in a cleaner way. If you notice websites are loading slow or other apps are stalling, this is a clear sign your connection needs some attention before CapCut can work well. If your internet is solid but CapCut is still being stubborn, let's move to the next step: restarting the app and your device. This one's simple but surprisingly effective. Think of it like rebooting your brain after a foggy moment. Sometimes software just needs a reset. Make sure to fully close CapCut, not just minimize it, and then restart your phone or computer. Give it a moment. These quick restarts can clear out those temporary memory glitches that cause apps to misbehave. Once your device is back up, open CapCut again. If it loads normally, you've already solved the problem. But if things are still stuck, the culprit might be corrupted cache data. CapCut stores little pieces of info to help it launch faster, but these can get outdated or buggy. If you're on Android, head to Settings, tap on Apps, find CapCut, and open up Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Future you will thank present you for making CapCut refresh its working files. For iPhone users, clearing the cache works differently. The best method is to uninstall the CapCut app, then reinstall it from the App Store. This clears out all that hidden temporary data and gives you a clean slate. For those using CapCut on PC, you'll want to open the app, go into Menu, then Settings, tap Project, and look for the trash bin icon next to Cache Size. Click that, and you're clearing out the digital cobwebs, just like tidying up a messy desk. Another good practice: check if you're running the latest version of CapCut. Developers are constantly squashing bugs and improving stability, so outdated versions can sometimes cause these loading headaches. Just head to the App Store, Google Play, or the CapCut website and make sure you have the most up-to-date release. Updating only takes a minute, and you might discover new features along the way. There's one more troubleshooting tip that can make all the difference, especially if you use VPNs or proxy services. VPNs are fantastic for privacy, but they occasionally interfere with CapCut's ability to connect to its main servers. If you're running a VPN, try temporarily disabling it and restarting the app. Sometimes CapCut just needs a direct line to its servers, like removing a language barrier in a conversation. If you've worked through these steps, you should find CapCut loading up normally. Don't worry if it took a few tries. Sometimes tech just needs a little patience. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to hit the like button. And if you have any questions or run into new errors, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you guys and helping out. And if you want more practical tutorials like this every week, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a tip or fix. Thanks for watching and happy editing.